Hi everyone, my name is Sushant Kodam and I am from Warangal. I have completed graduation BSc in New Science Degree and PG College, Hunter Road, Warangal. Then I have done my MBA with HR as my specialization in Wagdevi Degree and PG College, Naimnagar. Then after my education studies, I'm trying to enter into an IT sector. At the particular moment, I don't know how to enter into the market, how to get the IT job, especially into SAP platform or Java platform, some other platform. So that particular reason, I have searched for many other platforms such as Java, Python, SAP, and so on. So one day my friend has suggested it's a better opportunity to to start your journey in an SAP that will become a very flexible and you can bright up your future well. So for that particular reason, I have visited Hyderabad for a couple of months. I stayed over there and I went for demo classes and I have joined in particular institution also for an SAP course, but I am not fully satisfied over there. An unfortunate thing was happened at that moment is Corona was happened. The pandemic situations came up into the world. So I'm back to my hometown Warangal. Then my father has suggested me. Actually my father went outside and he has seen the particular institute was located in Hanmakota. So once he came back to home and he told me, Mr. Sushant, just go and visit the institute. There is an SAP institute. Even you are looking for an SAP, right? So it may be helpful. Just visit once. Then I went to institute. Then I went to institute and there is Mr. Bharat Kumar sir is a faculty member over there and he is the owner of a particular institute, and he has suggested me a lot of things and he explained well about the SAP course and some other courses. At that moment I was got very good information from him. Then I was decided, okay sir, I'm fine with you. Then I'll be joined for course, but I would like to take demo. Okay, then he suggested, okay, you can come for 10 days free demo classes. Then if you are satisfied, then you can join. So the moment what he explained, I am so comfortable and I'm very happy. Then I was joined. Then I was taken my demo classes, and fortunate thing was happened. Very good team I have at the moment of demo and after my course. Mr. Some other colleagues and all in our batch we are well settled now, and I am getting some amount in now that is very comfortable, and this is all happened because of Mr. Bharat Kumar sir, SAP FuTech Institute. Thanks to SAP FuTech, and I am suggesting the young generation of India, especially for the youngsters, those who has completed a degree from any education background or BTECs or post graduations. If you want to enter, if you want to start your career into an IT sector, information technology sector, please join SAP FuTech Institute and take the SD as your course. There is very boom. Don't believe SAP has going to dead, something has going to be dead. Never, it will not be happen, but the upgradation will be happen. In an IT sector, we have to daily shine ourselves, we have to update ourselves. As a mobile also, even we are getting for the new features, we have to update it, right? So for our career we need to update ourselves. So that is what I am suggesting. Thank you FuTech, thank you Bharat Kumar sir for wonderful opportunity, and I'm always grateful and gratitude towards you. Thank you.